We will guide you through how to make a custom link tree. Link. Quick disclaimer. Skipping a single step will affect your final result. So you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, click the Windows Start icon on your keyboard to open the Start menu. Type Google Chrome. Open Google Chrome on your device and wait for it to load completely. Input Linktree and press Enter to search for the official website. Select the official Linktree website and allow the page to finish loading before continuing. Verify that you are already signed into your Linktree account so you can access your profile and account settings without interruption. Click Admin on the top left side of the page to open your Linktree dashboard. Keep in mind that creating a custom Linktree link with a custom domain requires a Linktree Pro account. However, you can still make your Linktree address more unique and recognizable by changing your username instead. Click your account name to open the account menu, then choose Account to access your account settings. Scroll down until you find the Account Management section and click the three dots icon located on the right side. From the available options, select Change Username and type the new username that you want to use. Choose a username that reflects your personal brand. After entering the new username, click Review Username Change to verify that your preferred username is available and ready to use. Your Linktree link will automatically update to match the new username if the change is accepted. Review the updated link carefully, then click Confirm Change to complete the process. If on a shorter link for sharing, you can also use a URL shortener tool. Although this option cannot provide a fully customized domain name, it can still create a shorter and more convenient link for sharing.